Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photos into an AI live photo using Wink app. So what you need to do is just open the Wing app and then find the live photos options here, AI live. So let's just tap on that, and in here you can turn the photos into AI live photos. You can, if you are on the free one, you can get of one free uses. So these are the examples. You can see a static photo will become an AI live photo. Let's tap on generate and choose the photo. So for best result, you need to upload high resolution images of the same proportion. So let's just click on confirm. Here, choose the photo. I'm going to, let's say, choose this one. You can select up to 9 photos. I'm going to just use one. Tap on generate. Click on OK. Now Wink will generating with AI your photos. You can just wait. This is the estimated time, 2 minutes 40 seconds. Just wait until it's done. You can also tap on view later if you don't want to wait, and you can just come back with the result. So the generating process is done. Here you can play the live photo to see the result. If you like it, you can click on save at the top. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.